It is a beautiful day today. I have a 2-hour break from my very long and tiring but awesome work. So we're going to drive to the lake this Sunday and enjoy the view, enjoy the beautiful country of Switzerland, and yeah. Say hi, Marcus.
Hello.
Hi, Shamu. Jessica. Du bist wirklich lustig, Samu.
Bitte?
Du bist wirklich lustig.
Dankeschön.
Ja, ja, ja.
Das höre ich sehr oft.
Was?
Das höre ich sehr oft.
Sehr oft. Was ist sehr oft?
Was really funny.
Was it a traumatizing experience for you?
It was just peinlich.
Ah, wirklich peinlich.
Ja,
Oh, wirklich peinlich.
Wirklich peinlich.
So we are at the lake. Which lake? What's the name of this lake?
Lake Thunersee.
Lake Thunersee.
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 Turner, like tunfish.
Tuna fish.
Tunfish.
Lake tuna fish. So is it like a stinky lake?
No.
It smells really good
Like
though.
like a good lake.
You hate to wait, but love is an action, not a feeling thing. I don't want just something that'll fade away. Oh, I want that real love. Yeah, I want that real love.
Okay, so today is my day off and I'm going to Interlaken for today and doing some sightseeing. Apparently it's gonna rain, but now it's pretty sunny. So yeah, God has answered my prayers.
Français, better.
Better?
What is better?
Mieux? Mieux?
Mieux.
Ouais?
Yeah. Mieux.
Qu'est-ce que tu veux dire?
Ou est-ce que tu parles
Est-ce que je parle mieux le français que l'anglais?
Oui.
Ah oui, oui. Anglais c'est au top.
Anglais.
Alors, tu t'appelles comment?
Ah, je m'appelle Marcus.
Marcus,
le numéro 1.
Oui, number 1 Marcus. There's number 2 Marcus. Over there, say hi Marcus number 2. And we are going to Mittagessen, which means lunch.
Lunch.
You guys are so into your phones.
No, I'm looking where the village.
There's a promise we've been given, more certain than the stars, and in its light we are living. It's written on our hearts. Wherever we've been, wherever we go, with every step, every road, you're holding us close with love that won't let go. Love that won't let go.
Candle is lit. This is for Gabriella. La Estrella. Happy birthday to you. Working hard in the kitchen, guys. So for the fondue, we have wine here. We have them preparing some onions, and we have Benny, the bread. Benny, what did you say about Swiss fondue?
Kind of difficult to describe because Swiss people are very.
Say it.
Awesome!
Ah, woo!
We feel in our heart, feeling our hearts and feeling our bones. Never too
Last day
far,
with Jessie.
holding
Woo! Oh, I almost fell.
Sing it out, come on. Love that We feel